Greetings from Adventure Creek. We're at our spot at a big old willow tree here. We've had a lot of rain. It's still raining. The cover's keeping us mostly dry. We're down here puddle stomping. This isn't a major creek or a river, but we do need to be careful, right? After we've had a lot of rain, you can see over here that we get a lot of fallen trees and branches that get swept down here when we get a major storm. The rain has mostly stopped for now. The weather forecast says it's going to clear up. But we're just down here playing and having fun. Are you having fun? Yeah! Yeah? All right. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing today, we hope you are having fun too.
Bye. My mom's trying to get a mushroom down from the tree, and I think it's working. Look, what the? It fell off! Look at it! Like a big fish.
I think don't step on it. All right, the girls are playing with that mushroom. I took off that willow tree. I think it's a dryad saddle mushroom.
Daddy?
Yep. Pheasant back mushroom. They're gonna use it as a boat. Oh, mosquitoes are coming out.
Go, go, go! It's stuck! Come on, don't push it. Don't push it.
I think it needs a paddle.
Go! Follow your mushroom. Keep on getting to the ball. Push it.
So what's one thing we learned about mushrooms today?
They can float.
They float! Yay!
And guess what?
What?
I know that mushrooms go fungus under and then they grow out of the top.
That's right, fungus grows under the ground and mushrooms grow out above the ground. Good remembering.
Daddy, can I
Science is cool.
Jackie here. Hello. Hello, guys. Hello, guys. Bella. Hit it. Hit it.
It's lunchtime and we didn't bring any, so we are going home. Did you guys have fun today? Yeah? Awesome.
What's this?
Boom.
Kaboom. Come on, guys.
Yeah, we're coming, Belle.
Peace.
All right, let's hit it. Get outside and enjoy some of the nature today.